Did you know if we could localize date format in PHP, we could do that with internationalization extension. I will put link on the description on how to enable it. Let's dive in. First, you need to create formatter like this using intl date formatter class. The first parameter is local string. Let's use English US for now. The second parameter is date format, and the third parameter is the time format. Let's try to format the current date. And here is the output. June 1st, 2022. Because we are using the English US local. Let's try to change this into Indonesian ones. The output will be like this. You could also format date from database, for example, purchase date like this one. And the output will be like this. You could also display the date only like this. The output is only the dates, or you could display the time only like this. And the output will be the time only. That's 1 minute. See you on the next ones.